Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm ThePandaPhotographer, and I just did an unboxing experience from Kraftgeek, sorry. So disclaimer once again, everyone. I'm ThePandaPhotographer, and Kraftgeek did send this out to me for a review. But since we did an unboxing, I want to go over some things that I just noticed. So take this video with a grain of salt. So Kraftgeek does not have any input on how I feel about when I assess a product. But as I did my assessment of the product, ladies and gentlemen, I found that the product substantially weighs pretty good. There's a balance between the handle, the tripod feet, the structure, the Bluetooth, the remote being also magnetic, but also flexibility to mount other things onto the tripod using the ball head. But unfortunately, the ball head is not removable, which could be a con or a pro, depends on how you feel about it. But some people rather prefer a 3/8 or a 1/4 thread on for that flexibility. But with the ball head, you have this flexibility to move this particular flex mount, which they did also send me, which is pretty cool. So I want to just go over what these two button mechanisms are. So this is a release button to extend more, as the bottom is also, because you can also fit up tablets with this. You can fit tablets, and it extends pretty lengthy. So, but for me, I think this is a very good, robust type of logging equipment. So I think, yeah, and that's what you do. You snap it back down, easy to collapse. But when it comes down to the ball head, you will have to buy, I believe, this is a hot shoe, but they do have accessories for like LED lights on their website, which you can go to their website, thekraftgeek.com, which on the back of the box, they always put their information. And yeah, they're from Irvine, California. So I just wanted to make sure that everyone has a good idea of how I am taking this first experience with a tripod and with a flex mount with a grain of salt. Now I want you guys to look at the logo. It's a nice logo. I like it. So what you need to do, everyone, is that you have to hold it here first, press this push button, and it's supposed to release like that, but maybe I'm holding it wrong. See, and then it opens up pretty lengthy. Now, as I said, you see these support beams? These are pretty good. I like that idea. But to collapse it, you gotta to release it, and then kind of weird sometimes. Gotta get used to it though. Gonna make sure it's open. Open. Okay, gotta get used to that. But other than that, everyone, this is the Bluetooth remote, which it is USB compatible to charge, but always charge this before using it. It is magnetic at some point, as you can see. It does stick on very well, but you can get white or red or black, I think the color, but I got red. I think it looks great, but structural wise, I think it looks good. But it did come with this. This is what I did not feature in the unboxing as much, and I want to focus on this particular product. Let me move this out the way so the autofocus would just stay focused. So this is extender, but also it can rotate. So you can mount your phone here, and if you're on the 1/4 thread, let me show you. Let's take this off. So if you want to either go lighter on your logs and want your logs to be simple, yeah, you have this option. Now this does rotate all the way, almost a full 180. Isn't that cool? So you have options. If you want to travel light, instead of bringing this, you can use this. And it rotates. Isn't that awesome? And yes, it does extend as rotate, but be careful, there is a bend. So you've been warned. But other than that, structure wise, it does have that good weight, as I said. And I just want to make sure that everyone understands that in my unboxings, I just wanted to make sure that everyone is clearly focused on a product like this. And I think it's useful. It will be useful. I'm sure I'm going to be using it from time to time. And like I said, I'm going to give you guys updates how long this product will last. But other than that, everyone, I appreciate your time. I'm shooting this in 4K 30. But this is a very good, yeah, it has a nice balance to it. I like it. And like I said, it comes with also the flex mount comes with this as well. And I wish this was some type of compatible with this at the point where it could be. You can mount it on top of this to mount an LED light on top. You have options, but you have a hot shoe on top for that. So it really defeats the purpose, right? But like I said, it came with this cable. And I think the unboxing experience was pretty good. This is the box it came in. It was actually toolless, which all unboxings should be toolless. And it gives you demos, 1, 2, 3, 4, information on the back as I showed you. Yeah, these are pretty awesome unboxings, and I thank Kraftgeek for sending this out to me for a first impressions video and an unboxing video. So this is my first impressions video, everyone, and I really believe that this is pretty good, you know, login products for your login your videos or doing your travels. If you're traveling with family, you want to capture the family moment, you should buy products like this from Kraftgeek. This is very useful, robust, light. This is made out of plastic, yes, but it seems robust, sturdy, quarter 20 thread mount here. But overall, I think when it's coming with this as an option, I think this is a steal. And right now, you can get this right now on Amazon for like, what is it, like less than $30? You guys are like, what? Yeah. So I leave the link down in the description below, or go to the Kraftgeek website. I got a promo code. Save 15% off when using a promo code. So, ladies and gentlemen, links are down in the descriptions to their main website, so you can save more money. But other than that, everyone, thank you for watching. Appreciate your time, everyone. But this is Panda. Eat, sleep, photography, Kraftgeek, and repeat. This is my first assessment on Kraftgeek products. Talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.